Now, let's try to understand about statistics. Imagine a magnifying glass that reveals hidden details in a dataset. Just like this, the magnifying glass we have, and we are revealing some hidden information with the use of magnifying glass. Statistics in Power BI serve this role by summarizing values in each column. They show counts, distinct values, minimums, maximum, and averages to highlight patterns. These summaries help detect anomalies like missing entries or extreme outliers. By using statistics, data quality issues can be spotted early and corrected before analysis. Let's meet in our next lecture.